Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith and we are going to show you today 41676 Tanager. This one is over in the Eagle Point neighborhood. Really nice on the inside. I think you're going to like the floor plan. $850. So come check this one out. Okay, here we are at the street. So Tanager is in between Big Bear Boulevard and Swan, in between Snow Summit and Vaughn's. So quite little neighborhood. You do have the occasional rentals around here. From the looks on the inside of the home, it does not appear like they have used it for a vacation rental. We've got a nice driveway. Beautiful fence, and then you've got some landscaping out here. It's so cold up here though that everything has yet to grow again, but in the summertime will be much prettier. We have a nice woodsy loggy deck right here. The house is, this kind of looks like a faux brick. I'm not entirely sure that's a real brick. Just gonna kind of check out the outside of the house.
There's a ladder.
And it looks like they've got irrigation because they've got extra pieces underneath. But you're probably about 2 minutes to the grocery stores, maybe 2-3 minutes to the lake. And then, oh, let's check this out really quick. And then maybe about 3-4 minutes to Snow Summit from here. So we're gonna look at these log stairs. These are cool, Nora. And we've got Trex decking to match it.
And we have like a rocking
Yeah, we have rocking chairs out here. 2 tables.
41678.
41676. Tanager. Can you say Tanager?
P-O-R-C-H.
Do you know what that spells?
Teenager.
Huh?
Teenager.
No, it spells porch. Okay, so here we are at the entrance.
Inside.
Large tile floors.
Can I talk now?
Yeah, hang on. Let me show. We got just a little kind of hall closet right at the very entrance.
And in the living room.
So once we walk in here, you can go one of several ways. So straight ahead is the pantry wine area. Over to the left, we've got the living room. And then over to the right, we've got the kitchen. So I vote that we go into the kitchen first.
Let's go.
Let's go.
P-A-Q-B-R-Y.
Oh, that's spelled bakery, but that is not the letters. So here, right here, we've got a little office area
And you can like open
that you can do your homework at.
and you can put your stuff in here. In these drawers.
And then we've got this beautiful table right here too. How many people you think could sit at this table?
1, 2.
Well, that's a really big seat for 2 people. I think 2, or 1 person. I think 2 people sit here. So 2, 4, 5,
6,
7,
7,
8, and 9.
9, 10.
9. Then we've got some nice cabinetry. Slow close. Little wine shelf.
You got an airplane clock. You got an airplane clock.
We've got granite, brown, silver, black countertops.
Can you put water here in the sink?
There's no water. Nice fridge. Seems like a really good home for
6 people.
for 6 people. I was gonna say it seems like a really good home to live in. You know, you've got a really big kitchen.
And another
Could also be a really good vacation rental.
And another clock.
And that's actually a scale,
And it's a clock.
clock scale.
Clock scale. This way.
And then
Clock
I want to
scale.
see and show them the pantry. So we've got a nice pantry here. Walk in.
And grab stuff.
Yeah, that's what you do in a pantry. And we don't touch. And then right here underneath the stairs, they've got like a little wine area. You could do lots of different things with this space. But right here, we have this sunken living room. So just one step down.
This way.
But some beautiful cushy carpet.
And we have some pokey flowers. And there's a sticker inside.
Ooh, I love that. Look at that. That is beautiful.
Kind of like a toy chest.
It is a nice toy chest. Okay, don't touch the flowers. And then I love that whomever built this home went all the way up to the ceiling. So many of these homes, you see that these just went halfway and then they just forgot about the rest of the space. But it just makes this room even more beautiful that it goes all the way up. You have a skylight as well. You're over top of the balcony too. And then you've also got the tongue and groove ceilings. Nora, I noticed that this room, this house has central heating. Do you know how we know it has central heating?
Where? Oops.
That. Yep. You know that.
Oh.
So we're actually gonna go walk into this room, but we're gonna access it a different way. So just take note of like how kind of open it is once you're out past the kitchen.
Oh.
So here we have a half
And a
bathroom.
laundry room.
So sink, toilet, and then we've got the laundry room.
No, I'm in a different room.
Okay, I'm coming.
Turn on this light. The light.
So this is the room. I like that they have this
What's
nice
this wall for?
paneling.
Oh, you can see it from
Yeah, you
here.
can go into the living room. So one thing to note is this goes out. I believe they're considering this as one of the bedrooms.
What's that door?
So we will be able to tell that shortly once we count. So we've only seen one bedroom so far. So here we have the garage. Normally I just walk into a garage and I'm like, meh, it's a garage. But this is a garage. It smells so good in here. It smells like an RV store. That little checkered is beautiful.
A table.
It almost smells like a pool in here. See if we can find a hot tub in here, Nora.
There's a hot tub outside.
There is. Did you see one? Oh,
Come here.
hang on.
A Paw Patrol.
But it is so clean in here. Just like one of the cleanest, nicest garages that I've seen up here in a while. Finished off. I love the floors. Nice firewood. They've got storage under here, under the stairs. They have a snow blower.
I saw you where the hot tub is.
Let's go see the rest of the house first, and then we'll do the backyard later. And then this is gonna be your hot water heater in there. Okay.
There's
So
flowers right there.
there's flowers
And flowers outside.
and flowers outside.
And I see toilet paper.
Okay. So let's go into this room.
Wait, Mom. This is the way.
Well, we're going to go out there in a little bit. So, very large bedroom.
Yeah. Don't look at the hot tub.
I won't look.
You can see the hot tub. It's a beautiful bed.
Yeah, it's a beautiful bed.
Like a queen princess bed.
A queen? I think it's a king. It might even be a California king.
Come on, let's go see that hot tub.
So then we've got a closet right here, a walk-in closet. I couldn't find the light for it, but I'm sure there's one that exists. So walk-in closet, and then I think there's a bathroom in here, Nora. Nora.
Another door.
Oh, it's a bathroom in a bedroom. What does that mean?
Master room.
It's a master room.
And there's flowers.
And there's flowers.
And there's
So nice, just beautiful shades of brown all
no
throughout.
two sides.
Some little iridescent flare to it. A big tub as well. Ah, don't do that.
I've set off the lawn. Hey, I'll show
And
you
then
the hot tub.
here we've got
Can I
just
show
a
you the hot
closet. No, we gotta go upstairs still.
Well, this is upstairs.
No, we're not upstairs.
Oh, wow. I didn't know that. There's a top from that bed.
Okay, so that's 2 bedrooms, I believe. Yes. So again, like a really nice carpet here too.
Let me show you something over there. Hey?
You've got a surprise?
Yes.
Okay, show me your surprise. Show me how you can get in there.
There's a hole. And then a window with a cross.
It's a window.
Hello. And you can like play a game in here.
So then we have another bedroom. And this one is a king bed.
Master room.
And just like Nora pointed out, this one is also a master room. Don't touch. So you've got this really cool little bay window, they call it.
Get me on.
Did you know what this is called, Nora?
No.
Do you know what it's called?
No.
A bay window.
A baby.
Yep, anytime you have a cutout like that, it's called a bay window.
Okay, I'll show you the hot tub.
Well, not the hot tub yet. We're almost there. So now we have the closet. Decent sized closet. Good storage throughout. You know, you got a dresser, you got closet
Another
space.
closet.
Ooh, this is a pretty. Oh, I see. Okay. That is, that goes into the hallway. So this bathroom could also be used for the bedroom next door. I found a locked door and I didn't actually know what it was. So another closet.
Okay, I'm going to show you the hot tub.
Same bathroom as the one downstairs.
Toilet.
It's a secret toilet spot?
Right there, behind the shower.
Oh, okay. And I really like this is a deep tub. Nora, how many of your sisters could fit in that tub?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Do you have 5 sisters?
I have 2. But 1 sister, 2 sister, 3 sister.
Okay, let's see. So here's the door to that bathroom. So you can go in this direction as well, but they do have that locked. So then we have, this is the 4th bedroom. And I really love the neutral colors that they've used on the wall.
Okay, I'm going to see the hot tub.
Man, you are obsessed with that hot tub, aren't you?
Yeah, I like hot tubs.
Yeah?
Okay, let's go to the hot tub.
Okay, so just like Nora wanted, we are gonna go
To the hot tub.
out back and see what there is to see out back.
Wait, we're not going that way. We're going straight ahead. Okay, close your eyes.
Did you unlock the door yet?
Ready? Ta-da!
Whoa.
I see this first.
Make sure we don't get locked out, so I'm gonna put this right down. Okay. So outside we have a barbecue out here. Does not appear to be, it's got propane right here, so I don't think it's hooked up to gas. You have a little hot tub out here.
Metal, it's big.
And
Oh,
the
there's a
roof looks like it's still got a little bit of life left on it.
You're not that.
Oh, it's a ramp.
You can run down it.
Well, be careful.
Let's run.
And then we gotta
let's
avoid the
go.
mud. We're gonna avoid the mud, okay?
The mud?
Yeah.
What mud?
So here's gonna be your access into the garage. And then we've got a long hallway for the trash cans. So nice concrete back here as well. This is kind of the same concrete that was done in the front. This is very interesting.
Mom, come here.
This is like a kind of like a pea gravel-ish like
You can
thing.
like put a table here and eat.
Yeah. It's almost like they were gonna finish out another walkway right here, going that way. Nora, don't step back there just in case they're growing something.
Me too.
These are Bing cherry trees. But it seems like they've got a nice little garden going on back here, and then also some irrigation that they are working on. This is going to be a maple right here. Then we've also got crabapple, quaking aspen. Those are one of my favorites. And then here, this is that bedroom, the first master bedroom. What's that pose? Let me see it again. What do you think of this house, Nora? That's what you think? How much you think it is?
$39.
Everything to you is $39. It's $850,000.
I'm gonna take down the snow.
She's gonna fall.
No?
4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, about 2,300 square foot, listed for $850,000. Again, it is 41676 Tanninger. And if you want to take a look, give Nora a call on her cell phone.
I don't have a cell phone. I don't have a cell phone.
What should people do if they want to call you?
Just say bye.
Oh, okay. Bye.